Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praveen. You are watching Techie Praveen. So today I'm come up with another very good problem of a lead code, and this problem was asked in Google interview. So it's a very good and very simple problem. So it's a power of three. So let's talk about what exactly the problem is. So we have a given an integer n, return true if it is a power of three. Otherwise, return false. So an integer n is a power of 3 if there exists an integer x such that n equals to 3 to the power x. So let's take the example of n. If the value of n is 27, which is divisible by 3, so the option is true. And if the value is not divisible by 3, then it should return false. So it's a very good problem, and it's a very easy problem. So just we need to check that if the remainder is 0 or not. So if the number is completely divisible by 3, then we can show true. Otherwise, we can throw return false. Okay. So let me copy this method name. Okay, and paste into 13. So cool. So I need to take, firstly I'm using while loop, and n should be either equals to or greater than 3. Okay, so if n percentile by 3 is not equals to 0, okay, then it should return false, and we should decreasing the number n and return true, else return true. That's it. Else return n equals to 1. Cool. So basically, what exactly I'm trying to do is I'm just dividing the. Firstly, I'm running a while loop which runs and checks that if the number is either equals to 3 or greater than 3, and then I'm dividing the number with 3 to check if the number is equals to 0. If the remainder is 0, then it should return false. Otherwise, will reducing the number. Okay, and return n equals to 1. That's it. So let me create my main method, and it's a static method, so I can directly use it. So is boolean, and let me put 27, check whether the value is currently true or not. So the answer is true. And why it is showing true? Because we are using boolean, return as a boolean, so either it is returning true or false. So here it returning true. Cool. So let me put my 0 and -1 here. I'm putting -1 and run it. We need to get false, and if I'm putting as 0, then it should return as a false. Okay, I'm just copying my code and putting in the lead code to check whether the lead code is accepting my code or not. So let me run and submit this. Cool, it accepted and submitted. So there will be multiple ways to solve this problem. So we can also use math.power to check whether the value is equals to with the power of 3 or not. So there will be a multiple ways of solving a particular problem, right? So the main concept is that you need to divide the number with 3 to check whether the remainder is 0 or not. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the video and I'm able to explain your logic. In case you're not able to understand or you are facing any issue, to let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to solve your issue.